Right, another feature that the Galaxy S3 has that you may not have seen, but if you're a regular on Cool Smartphone you should have seen, because we showed this on the actual launch video, is the pop-up play functionality. It's more of a sort of a nice to have than a key feature really, but it's still pretty cool. If we go into the video gallery, which I will eventually find. By the way, this screen is gorgeous. The more you use it, it's got a sort of curved feel to it. It's just like a pebble. There's no dip or change from here all the way to here. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous screen on the front here. Here's my albums. We can switch, we can look by locations, time, person or group. I'm going to have a look on the video player, which I'm just going to come back out of this. And we'll go into apps again, and this time I want to go into video player rather than gallery. So here on the bottom right is a video player, and you can see instantly that it's made a sort of a preview of the videos. It takes a few seconds to do this initially, but once it's done it remembers them, so you get to see a preview of the videos that you've actually already recorded, so you can see what they look like. Now we've got thumbnails, we can list, we can also sort of look at videos from nearby devices. I'm going to have a look at this Wonders of Video, very nice HD video that Samsung have included on the phone. Don't worry again about the refresh on here, it's the recording device, it looks beautiful to the human eye. Now we can either choose, and here you've got some other options by the way. You can trim a video whilst you actually, you know, it's quite easy to actually trim the video down and edit it. You can beam it via Bluetooth. I'm going to not share it in this instance, but actually use the pop-up player. Now the pop-up player, again, it's more of a gimmick really than anything else, but you can sort of have that video that you're watching, and I'm going to wind it back because it's just finished. You can have that showing on your main screen, so you can carry on and maybe read a book whilst you've got the video playing in the background. The only thing you can't do is view another YouTube video or something similar like that, because it's going to be using the same sort of graphics processor, I presume. It can't play two videos at once, not that I've seen it being able to do anyway. So we can have a look at, let's drag this down here and maybe let's decide to maybe, I don't think it's going to let me do this, but let's try the camera, and this will probably freak it out. No, it won't let me use the camera. So there's certain instances where it doesn't actually work and doesn't run alongside. But the guys from Samsung did show it in use with the browser in the background. So you can maybe go pop out player and then go into the internet and use Google. So you can carry on watching a video whilst you're browsing the internet and having a look at our site. It's a pretty nice little thing to have. I wouldn't see people using it every day, but it's pretty cool. You can't resize this, but it's nice to have there. And the video player is very nice indeed. So there you go, that's the pop-up player.